Seeing no network found after inserting your SIM means your phone's modem isn't connecting to cellular networks. First, power cycle your device. Turn your phone off completely, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Then, physically remove and reinsert your SIM card, ensuring it's properly seated and clean. A loose connection is a common cause. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off. This forces the phone to rescan for networks. After this, manually search for available networks in your phone's settings, usually under Connections or Mobile Network. Finally, check your SIM card for physical damage and your SIM slot for debris. Most issues can be solved quickly with these basic steps. If not, you may have a different problem. If basic troubleshooting steps fail, the problem might be deeper. First, ensure your phone isn't carrier locked. Carrier locking can prevent your device from connecting to networks outside your original provider's coverage. If it is locked, contact your previous provider for unlocking instructions or use a reputable service like Safe Unlocks for Android devices. Software issues are another common cause. Update your phone's operating system to the latest version, such as Android 15 or iOS 18, which include enhanced network diagnostics. Outdated software can lead to incompatibilities with current cellular networks, especially in regions phasing out legacy 3G systems. Check for updates in your settings menu and install them promptly. If problems persist after updating, reset your network settings. This is found in the Settings menu and clears APN configurations, Wi-Fi passwords, and cellular preferences without deleting your personal data. On Android, navigate to Settings System, Reset Options, Reset Network Settings. On iPhone, go to Settings General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This helps resolve signal detection issues caused by software bugs. For extreme cases where other fixes fail, consider a factory reset. This erases all data and restores your phone to its original factory settings, potentially fixing deep software corruption. However, always back up your data first to avoid losing photos, contacts, and apps. On Android, go to Settings System, Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset. On iPhone, use Settings General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Erase all content and settings. Use this as a last resort. If the problem persists, consider upgrading to a device that supports eSIM technology. eSIM eliminates physical SIM card issues like improper insertion or damage, and by 2025, over 40% of new devices support eSIM-only setups. This digital SIM is embedded in the device and can be activated remotely, reducing network detection failures by up to 30% in compatible regions. Check if your current or new device supports eSIM before purchasing. If none of these solutions work, the issue is likely hardware-related, such as a damaged SIM slot, faulty antenna, or incompatible modem. Contact your carrier for assistance or take your device to a professional repair service. Carriers like Verizon and AT&T offer troubleshooting apps with AI diagnostics, and manufacturers like Apple and Samsung provide support forums. Avoid DIY repairs, as they can void warranties and cause further damage.